I saw somebody do this and I thought it was brilliant. I use Dawn dishwashing liquid. I usually fill the sink up and then pour some Dawn dish detergent in it. And then I wash the dishes, then I drain the sink. But I saw somebody do this, and they took the Dawn and they took a bowl and they put about 2 teaspoons of Dawn detergent in it, and then they added some water. Check this out. Here go what they did. And that Dawn you just seen right there, I've been using this for over a month now. I'm in a cabin, I'm off doing a job, a project, welding inspection. So you see how I took some water and just poured a little bit in there. Then I took this sponge and just soaked the sponge in there and then wash my dishes. And you see that little bit I put in there, I probably could wash dishes 2-3 more times with just that little bit. You see, and I just dip it in there and I just clean the dishes. And I usually go through maybe about 2 of these Dawns that you just seen, but this one right here, I've had it for over a month now. So once I'm done, washing my dishes, and I just rinse the sponge out and get the water out, and I put this container off to the side, and I can use it for tomorrow, a couple of days. And if you want to, you could put a little bit of Clorox in there. Look at this. And I can use this right here for a couple of more days. And that saves a lot of time and money. You see this, I've had this for over a month now.